a minute. Wait a minute.
I don't think I pressed the start button. I think you have to press.
I start the button. I start. Everybody, hi. Hi. Okay, just wait a minute, everybody. Hi. You will get. Okay, you should get a RT pencil, eraser, right, and notebook too. Okay, notebook. 네. 지금 메일로 계정으로 보내드리고 있어요. 혹시 선주 어머님이세요? 네, 지금 가고 있을 거예요. 이거 한 명씩 하는 거라. 한꺼번에 보내드리기 하는 게 아니라 조금만 기다리세요. 네. 네. 그럼 지금 수학학원 하고 있는 거죠, 언니?
아직 시작 안 했어요.
수학 가는 거 안 했어요? 가는
네.
보내신다고 했는데 저기 다시 미뤘나요? 혹시 수학학원이?
네, 봤어요.
그렇구나. 그렇죠. 한다고 했다가 다시 밀린 데가 많아가지고. 네. 잠깐 봐드릴게요. 뭐가 있어요, 얘? 아직 안 들어왔어요. 이제 메일 보내가지고. 그럼 어머니 지금 클릭을 하셨나요? 혹시 메일 보고 있더라고? 그러면은 메일을 봐주시겠어요? 어머니 지메일 계정 보시면 메일이 하나 그게 있을 거예요. Everybody here? All right. Okay, we are going to do some story here. All right, everybody just wait a minute. Then you have to take a look at this story. I'll show you this page. Read about this story, please. This one. Do we need a headphone for joining here? Oh, Sanjay is here. Sanjay is here too.
Alright, Sanjay. Sanjay. Hello, hello. How are you, Sanjay?
Wait, my internet is bad.
Why? Why is your internet bad?
Is it slow? Get it slow?
My internet's a bit bad.
Why? Sanjay, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Alright, good. You didn't say anything? That's fine. I wasn't sure if it was really like this. Who else are we waiting for? Katie?
Harry and Isabella.
Audie, Isabella.
Oh, Isabella? Isabella, did you get the Gmail, one mail from Gmail? 알았지? 그걸 누르고 들어와야 돼, 이사벨라.
How's everyone today? What did you do today? Tell me something you
혹시
did.
못 들어오게 되면 여기로 전화해, 알았지? 응? 잘 안 되면 여기 번호로 전화해, 응? 오케이,
Tell me something you did. Just listening when you're talking.
Okay, guys, ready? We are doing the internet
Ready? Awesome.
class, like Google Meet class and this channel together, so it is a little change. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Crystal, what did you do today?
All right, everybody, look at the story.
Homework.
Do you see the story, everyone?
Hello, hello. I wish I had homework. What do you do? Why don't you guys do homework?
Can you see the story? Yes or no?
Today we're doing NG. You have to hear NG sentences.
Can you see the story? Yes? Good, Johnny. Okay. Oh gosh. It's a tough day today. It's so tough day today.
Maybe we can do like an episode. Open up your NG book to the result page. Star G.
So if you're ready, everybody, I'll check your name here in attendance.
Sing me a song.
Okay, who else is here? Elsa, okay, and Sungu, and Johnny here. Okay. All right. Hi, guys. Hello. Then let's get started. Understand? All right. So first story is Ride into Space.
No, this isn't E specialist. This is S specialist. This is singing specialist.
Okay, this is the story we do this time, Ride into Space. Are you ready? Okay, ready? Go. Do you love knowing things? Then you are just like Sally Ride. In school, Sally worked hard to learn everything she could. So I will underline important idea here. Do you love knowing things? Okay, then that is exactly like Sally Ride. Okay, in school, Sally worked hard to learn everything she could. When she grew up, she might have been a writer, but she decided to become an astronaut instead. She learned to fly. She wants to fly. Okay, wait a minute. Can't read. She wants to fly. This is jet. Okay, I will erase a little bit. Can't see you. Okay. Here we go. Okay, she learns to fly jet. This one. And she helped to design a robot arm that could grab things in space. Then in 1983, she joined the crew of the Challenger space shuttle and became the first American woman to fly in space. Oh, she joined the Challenger space shuttle. Then she became a first American woman to fly in space. Okay? Afterwards, she wrote all about her adventures and became a teacher too. After the astronaut life, she became a what? A teacher too. Ooh. Then she wrote her, story too. The Sally Ride sure proved one thing. With the knowledge, you will go places. Okay? So now we have a question, right? So before the question, read one more time. Are you ready? Read one more time, okay? Okay, I'll show you in a bigger way. Okay, here we go. Ride into space. Do you love knowing things? Then you're just like Sally Ride. In school, Sally worked hard to learn everything she could. When she grew up, she might have been a writer, but she decided to become an astronaut instead. She learned to fly jet, and she helped to design a robot arm that could grab things in space. Then, in 1983, she joined the crew of the Challenger space shuttle and became the first American woman to fly in space. Afterwards, she wrote all about her adventures and became a teacher too. Sally Ride sure proved one thing. With knowledge, you will go places. Okay, do you understand? So, question number 1. Okay? Question number 1. What question? Okay, this one. Okay, let's do this one. What was the name of her space shuttle? What was the name of her space shuttle? Her means Sally Ride. What was her space shuttle name? Do you remember? Do you remember it? What was the space name? Space shuttle, I mean. What was the space shuttle name? Do you remember it? Okay, let's go find the name of the space shuttle in the story again. Here, Then in 1933, she joined the crew of the Challenger space shuttle, became the first American woman to fly in space. So, what is the name of her space shuttle? What was the answer? Okay, everybody, write it down. What's the answer? What was the name of her space shuttle? What was the name of this space shuttle? Nobody answer? Oh gosh. It was a Challenger. Oh my gosh. Okay, the answer is the. The answer is, I will write answer here. The answer of, all right, the name of the space shuttle was Challenger. Okay, everybody write it down. Challenger. Challenger. Do you understand? The answer is Challenger. Okay, everybody write. Try to type it. Okay, everybody try to type it. Challenger. Okay? Remember, the space shuttle Sally Ride took was Challenger, okay? The Challenger. The Challenger. Yes, Challenger, that's right. And Sungu, can you type it? Okay. This is my story, okay? This is my storybook, so you don't have it. So, Johnny, so just write Challenger. Sungu, copy Challenger too. Try to like Challenger here. Challenger, okay? The space shuttle Sally Ride took was Challenger. Do you understand? Okay, Challenger, good. Sungu, do you understand the Challenger? Yes. Then Johnny, do you understand the Challenger actually? The space shuttle Sally Ride took was the Challenger. Excellent. Then, here, this question. Did Sally become a rider before or after she flew in space? Did Sally become a rider before or after she flew in space? When did she become a rider? Before she was in space or after she was in space? When did she become a rider? When did she become the rider? When? Before or after? Before or after? Before she went to the space early? Before or after? After. Okay, one student answer before, one student answer after. Then, what about another student? What is your answer, Johnny? Before or after? Okay, after. Let's take a look. All right? So she says, Sally Ride sure proved. Oh, here. Okay, afterwards, she wrote all about her adventures and became a teacher too. I mean, after the going space, she became a writer and teacher. Do you understand? So the answer is after. Okay, the answer is after. After she went to the space, she became a writer and teacher. Do you understand? Okay. The answer is here. The answer is after. Do you understand? Then, next question. What kind of arm can grab things in space? What kind of arm can grab things in space? What is the answer? This one, okay? What kind of arm can grab things in space? What's the answer? What kind of arm can grab things in space? What kind of arm? What kind of arm can grab things in space? What's the answer? Okay, good. Good job. Robot arm. Bingo. Everybody good. Robot. Okay, robot arm. Okay, very good. All right, this question next. Before Sally flew on the shuttle, what did she learn to fly? Before Sally flew on the shuttle, space shuttle, what did she learn to fly? What did she learn to fly? What's the answer? What is the answer? Before Sally flew on the space shuttle, what did she learn to fly? Sumu, good. A jet. Yes, that's right. It was a jet. Good. A jet. That's right. Many astronauts actually, they learn to fly jet before they go to space because space shuttles very similar structure of the jet actually. Good job, Sumu. Very good. Okay, the next question. This is the hard question. Actually, challenger, right? Challenger is from challenge, okay? Then what word is the original word for teacher, okay? If the original word of challenger is challenge, what's the base word of teacher? Can you guess what it is? Challenger is to challenge, as teacher is to what? Okay, what was teacher word from? Challenger is to challenge, as teacher is to what? Okay. Good, Elsa. The answer is, yes, right. Teach. That's right. Teach. Good, Sungwoo. Challenger is to challenge, as teacher is to teach. Good job. The next one is very easy. Okay. Which word can mean also? TO2 or TOO2? Good. So, which word can mean also TO2 or TOO2? What's the answer? Okay, what's the answer? Which word can mean also TO2 or TOO2? Okay, that's right. TOO2. Bingo. That's right. TOO2 mean, okay, also. Do you understand? They are same meaning. Okay, very good. So today I fly. Yesterday what form doing it? It's easy too. What's the answer of this one? Today I fly. Yesterday I what? Yesterday I what? Okay. Yesterday I what? Yesterday I what was the answer? Oh, sorry. So today I fly, yesterday I what? Easy. Everybody easy. Today I fly, yesterday I what do we need to say? What do we need to say? What is the answer? Today I fly, yesterday I try. Okay. Is it try? Today I fly, yesterday I what is the past tense of fly? No, 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 no. Today I fly, yesterday I need a past tense. I need a past tense. I need a past tense. Okay, what's the past tense of fly? Not try. Oh my gosh. What is the past tense of fly?
What is the situation today? Situation. You can summarize it in very, very easy case. Very, very easy case. The deepest sea in the world. It was frozen thousands of years ago until it was now. Sumo, next paragraph.
Okay. Beep. Nope. Nope. Beep. Yes, good. That's right, Sungu. Flew. The past tense of a fly is not, flied. It was flew, okay? It is flew. This one, okay? Today is fly. Yesterday is flew, okay? The answer is flew, everybody. Yes, Johnny flew.
Next paragraph. Can you repeat it?
Flew, okay? Okay, the next question is this one. What do you dream of doing when you grow up? What do you dream of doing when you grow up? What is your dream? What do you dream of doing when you grow up? Everybody answer the last question. What do you dream of doing when you grow up? What is the answer? What's your answer? What do you dream of doing when you grow up? Think about it, everybody. Think about it. So, okay, Elsa said, I'm dream of being a doctor. You can say, I dream of being a doctor. Okay. I dream of being a doctor. Okay, Johnny, you can answer. I dream of making Lego, okay? Or being a policeman, okay? You can say, Johnny, I dream of making Lego or being a policeman. Do you understand? What about Sungu? Sungu, what do you dream of doing when you grow up? What do you dream of doing when you grow up? Okay, Sungu, what do you dream of doing when you grow up? Yes, Johnny, good. I dream of making Lego or being a policeman. What about Sungu? What is your dream, Sungu? Okay. Sungu, Sungu, I'm waiting. Sungu, I am waiting your answer, please. Sungu, Sungu, I'm waiting your answer. What's your answer? What do you dream of when you grow up? What do you dream of when you grow up? What do you dream of when you grow up? Can you answer me? Oh, historian? Interesting. Do you dream of being an historian? Okay, got it. All right, everybody, let's move on. The next story. Okay, this is little. Ready, everyone? Okay, new story. Okay, good, Sungu. New. The next story. Okay. Are you ready? The next story. Ready? Okay, yes. Okay, ready, everybody? Listen. The trick. Okay. You can see two fish here. Then there is a little worm at the fishing hook. Then now let's see what happened. Trudy Trudy the trout went for a swim with Mickey the mackerel. Okay, trout is a mackerels are kind of fish. So name of the trout is Trudy, right? Name of the mackerel is a Mickey. Trudy is a girl's name. Mickey is a boy's name. I think that's the girl fish and a boy fish. Okay, so there are two animal character here. Trudy Trout, fish character, Mickey the mackerel, okay? The two friends were looking for a morsel to eat. Okay, what's morsel? Look at that worm. Squirm, okay, squealing, right? Squealing in the water, said Trudy. They can see worm here, okay, like this. She began to swim toward the worm. Wait! Okay. Wait! Shouted Mickey. What's that shiny thing attached to the worm? I mean, this shiny thing, hook, okay? As the two fish swam closer to the worm, they saw that the shiny object was a hook. It's a good thing we were careful, Trudy said. The worm looked like a snake, but it was a trick. Yes, said Mickey. One of us might have been the snake today. That means snake of the people. Two friends swam up to safety. Okay, so read again. Okay, read again, everybody. Okay, ready? I will read for you again. The trick. Trudy the trout went for a swim with Mickey the mackerel. The two friends were looking for a mussel to eat. Mussel means little amount of eat. Okay. Look at that worm squealing in the water, said Trudy. She began to swim toward the worm. This worm, okay. Wait, shouted Mickey. What's that shiny thing attached to the worm? As the two fish swam closer to the worm, they saw that the shiny object was a hook. It's a good thing we were careful, Trudy said. The worm looked like a snake, but it was a trick. Yes, said Mickey. One of us might have been the snake today. The two friends swam off to safety. Okay, so, all right, are you ready to answer? Are you ready for question?
You gotta make it start small. Don't jump at that. First, you start. There's one more thing. Water is blue. You don't know if it's clean or not. Right? It's not like outside there's lakes all the time.
7시간 자.
Water is dirty. Usually look at the rainwater at the time.
수학?
Underground there are all sorts of chemicals
Okay. 애들 준비됐다. 저기는 화상을 하고 있어. 모르겠어. 왜 익숙지 않네? 뭐 해야지? 응?
지갑을 갖고 왔는데 그걸 사서 지갑을 못 넣어가지고.
좀만 기다려. 브레이크 타임이야. 너에게 심부름을 시킬게. 기다려. 알겠어.
브레이크 타임.
Break time. Almost break time. Okay, first question number 1. Okay, number 1. Who was swimming with Trudy the trout? Who was swimming with Trudy the trout? Who is the another character? Do you remember? Do you remember? There is the another character, right? So, who was swimming with Trudy the trout? 내가 답을 줘야 되는데 기억 못하는 거 아니야? Mickey, good. Elsa, good. That's right. The answer was another fish name was Mickey. That's right, Mickey. That's right, Johnny, right? So, do you remember the another character's name is Mickey? Oh yeah, Mickey here, right? The answer is Mickey. Get it? Alright, then everybody, we're going to have 10 minutes break and come back here. 10 minutes break, break time. Okay, 10 minutes break, break time.
놀고 있죠 지금. 아까 나가서 TV 틀었는데 안 보시네.
4월 6일을 온라인 할지도 모르는데
온라인 아니 근데 차라리 그거 하면은 나는 그냥 저 집에 컴퓨터 케이블 있어서 카비 켜놓았어요. 바꿔서 그냥 바꾸고 지금 뭐 답하세요 그러니까 예.
중국까지 얘기했다니까? 빼고?
아이 근데 그래서 서식을 muting him on the other students reading, and we can just we can hear him like making sounds with his mouth or rustling his papers. Everything's so loud. I think it's his earphones that have very sensitive microphones. Also, he's also just kind of loud. Personality. I think he gets impatient. Other people are reading, he starts moving things, and then we can hear him move things. He's like, sighs and moves like
Every time I'm introduced.
I think also the other students.
We cannot see each other. She can see us, but we cannot see her. Oh my god. That in the Taiwanese school are open, the students come back to school and the virus spread in the school.
Really?
This is what he said. The things that happen in Taiwanese school right now.
Well, wait. Oh, in Taiwan.
In Taiwan.
Oh, not here.
Not
I thought like a
here.
Taiwanese school in Korea.
Taiwan school.
That's cool. What level was it? Like an elementary school or middle
I
school?
don't know. I just feel bad it's from him. What happened?
Wow.
The kids cannot, what happened all around the world? That all the kids cannot go to school for a year?
I don't know.
All the students cannot go to school
Everything's
for a
like,
year?
it's going to change everything. The whole education system
Education
is
system,
going to
the
have to
whole
change.
business system and
This year,
everything
everything's
is
changing.
collapsed. Everything's
Yeah.
collapsed now. What?
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
Oh my gosh. That's scary.
Scary. Serious. It's serious. I can read that about Taiwanese school. I'll look it up.
What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? I don't know. Gosh.
I don't see anything about the Taiwan school yet. It's not in the news yet. In the English language news. Maybe it's in English language news.
What do you know about the things that happen in Singapore? The kids go to school in Singapore.
Go back to school?
I mean, Singapore.
Yes.
Kids go to school in Singapore.
Wow.
mean, not really, use.
Yeah, I don't.
Because high schooler usually music, I know. Use that is not right.
Right, could be a rumor, or maybe maybe it's just spreading faster like Korean language news. Because I don't see anything in English. Maybe it says in Korean news.
It's
and
just
Chinese
come
news.
up and then go, okay? Okay, everybody ready? Okay, we go back. Right. Okay. Alright, the first answer was Mickey. That's right. Good job. Okay, hi. Back. The first one was Mickey. That's right. Alright, the next question, number 2. Were the two friends hungry, sleepy, or thirsty? Okay, then we are answering number 2. Number 2. We are answering number 2. Okay, Sulu said hungry. Okay, Sulu said number 2 answer is hungry. Good. Okay, hungry. Very good. Number 2, it's hungry. Good job. Johnny said hungry too. Okay. Then Elsa said hungry. And then question number 3. Okay. What caught the attention of the fish? What caught the attention of the fish? What did they see? What caught the attention of the fish? Number 3 question. What caught the attention of the fish? Oh, hook first. Was it a hook first? Before hook. Everybody, before hook. What did I see first? What did I see at first? Okay, what did I see at first? What did I see at first? Yeah, worm. That's right. A worm. A worm. A worm at the hook. Okay. They saw the worm at the hook because they're very hungry. Understand? Then they could see hook. Understand? So the answer is a worm. Okay, question number 4. The worm looked like a snake, but it was a trick. What was a trick? What was a trick? Then number 4. What is the answer of question 4? So what is the answer of question 4? What is the answer of 4? The worm, right, looked like a snake, but it was a trick. What was the trick? What is the answer of number 4?
Thank you. Thank you. Are you leaving? Yes. Okay, bye. See you. Bye. All right. All right. Yes. Okay. When you say your answer, you should not just say the letter. You should also say what it means. Yes. The main idea in that recipe is about observing complete exploration. Okay. Official answer your question. Answer your question, please. All right. Question number 2. Question number 2.
Yeah, the hook. That's right. The answer is hook. Mm. Hook. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, this question 5. I will define. If Trudy and Mickey If Trudy and Mickey hadn't seen the hook, they might have ended up as what happened. If Trudy could not see the hook, what will happen to them? What will happen to two fish if they don't look at the hook? Okay, what will happen to two fish if they don't look at the hook? The question 5 is if Trudy and Mickey hadn't seen the hook, they might have ended up as what? What happened? What will happen to two fish if they don't look at the hook? What will happen to them? What will happen to two fish if they don't look at the hook? What? People's neck? Elsa, you write people snake. What do you mean snake? Snake or snack? Snake or snack? Mm-hmm. Snack. People snack. That's right. And Sungu and Johnny, what's the answer? Okay. Yeah, they might be people's snack. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. The question 6. Is this story mainly about being hungry, friendly, or careful? What's the main idea? Question 6. Question 6. Is this story mainly about being hungry, friendly, or careful? Sungu said, yeah, this story is mainly about being careful. The full sentence is, this story is mainly about being careful. Okay? This story is mainly about being careful. Understand? Being careful. Get it? So full sentence, please, everybody. This story is mainly about being careful. This story is mainly about being careful. Okay, we need a full sentence sometimes. Understand? Okay, the next story. Okay, everybody, next story. Oh. Or next question. Next story or next question. Okay, let's see the next question then. Okay, my question number one, this one. Is it a morsel, a large meal, or a small pieces of food? What does morsel mean? Morsel, large meal or small meal? What is it? Is it a morsel, a large meal, or a small pieces of food? What is it? Then everybody answer. No, answer one. Yeah, answer number one. Yes, number one. Okay, answer number one. Is it a morsel, a large meal, or a small pieces of food? What does that mean? What is the answer? What's the answer? Is it a morsel, a large meal, or a small pieces of food? What is the answer of number one? You cannot see it? This one. Is it a morsel, a large meal, or a small pieces of food? What is the answer of number one? Okay, look at the question. Is a morsel a large meal or a small pieces of food? So what kind of meal? What kind of meal? Is it a large meal? A large meal or a small piece of food? What is it? A large meal or a small piece of food? A large meal or a small piece of food? Hello? Elsa? Okay, Elsa said yes. Small piece of food. Bingo. That's right. That is right. That's correct. That is correct, right? The morsel mean, right? Small piece of food. That's right. The answer is small piece, okay, of food. Okay, small piece of food. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. Next. This is a question too. Mm-hmm. Choose the right verb. The two fish swam to safety. Okay. Which one is right word? SWM and SWAM and SWIMMED. What is the past tense of this swim? What's the correct form of the swim here? The two fish blank to safety. What's the right form? So what is the right form? Mm-hmm. Good. Good, Elsa. The answer is swim. Good job. Okay. All right. The next question, 3. This one. Find another word for squiggle. Okay, squat. Okay, Johnny said scorn. What about other students? Elsa, do you know the answer too? Do you know the answer? So find another words for squeakle. Swim, squirm, squat, squeak. What does squeakle mean? What does squeakle mean? Okay, squirm. Good. The answer is squirm. The answer is squirm. Good. Okay. All right. And now next story. Okay. So next story is ahoy mate. Okay. Ahoy mate. Ready? Ready? Next. Are you ready for next? Ready for next? Alright, now let's read the new story, Ahoy Mate. Ready? Go. Pirates were seamen who stole from other ships. Okay, here's a, meaning about pirates here. Their own ships usually flew a black flag called a Jolly Roger, which was decorated with a white skull and cross bones. Okay. One famous pirate was nicknamed Blackbeard. Okay. Famous pirate name is Blackbeard. Because he braided his long black beard and tied the braids with ribbons. And Blackbeard terrorized sailors and stole their ship's treasure, okay, including chests of gold coins and precious jewels. People believe that he buried his treasure on a secret island in the Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea, okay? Where is his treasure? Okay, many people told that he buried his treasure on a secret island in the Caribbean Sea. Blackbeard lived over 200 years ago, but people are still hunting for his treasure. Oh, Blackbeard lived over 200 years ago, but people are still looking for his treasure. I know that story. That's true. Many people are, right, trying to find his treasure. Understand? This is very famous story. This is very, very famous story. So, ahoy, mate. Read. Okay, listen again. Let's read again. Ready? One more time. Everybody remember the important ideas or detail of the story to answer the question later. So ready to go? Pirates were seamen. Okay, they're seamen who stole from other ships. Their own ships usually flew a black flag called a Jolly Roger, which was decorated with a white skull and crossbones. One famous pirate was nicknamed Blackbeard because he braided his long black beard and tied the braids with ribbons. Blackbeard terrorized sailors and stole their ship's treasure, including chests of gold coins and precious jewels. People believe that He buried his treasure on a secret island in the Caribbean Sea. Blackbeard lived over 200 years ago, but people are still hunting for his treasure. Okay, so question number 1. Were pirates real or imaginary people? Were they real or imaginary people? Answer. Answer the question number 1. Answer the question number 1. That's right, Sungu. Yeah, pirates are real. That's right. The answer is pirates are real. That's right. We still do have pirates around the sea, so be careful. Understand? Okay, question number 2. Did pirates steal from houses, trains, or ship? Okay, now answer the question number 2. Answer the question number 2. Answer the question number 2. Did pirates steal from houses, trains, or ship? Okay, good job, everybody. The answer is ship. All right. The answer of the 2 is ships. Good. Okay, here question number 3. What treasures did Blackbeard steal? What treasure the Blackbeard steal? The question number 3 that I wrote here. What treasures did Blackbeard steal? What treasures did Blackbeard steal? What treasures did Blackbeard steal? Huh? I mean, what treasures? Not 200 years ago. That is the time he lived before. Johnny. What, Johnny? Johnny, what do you mean 200 years? Johnny, what do you mean 200 years? This is nonsense. Okay, question 3, all right, focusing about treasures. What treasures did Blackbeard steal? What treasure did Blackbeard steal? Not when. Okay, you don't get the point of the question, I think, okay? The question 3 is asking about the treasures. What treasures did Blackbeard steal? What treasures did Blackbeard steal? Not just coin, right? What kind of coin? What kind of coin? Yeah, gold coin. That's right. It was gold coin. Yes, gold coins and what? And others too. Gold coins plus what else? It said gold coin plus jewels, okay? The answer is gold coins plus what, everybody? Jewels. Okay, gold coins and jewels. Do you understand? Then, number 4. Okay, what is a Jolly Roger? What is a Jolly Roger? Question 4. What is a Jolly Roger? Ouch. As a person's name? No. Beep. Nope. Nope. That's not person's name.
Your microphone is very quiet. I can't hear you very well.
That is not person's name. Jolly Roger or Roger.
What? Okay, wait a second. Question number 3.
Jolly Roger. Yeah, what's a Jolly Roger? Boat name? Beep. No. Nope. What is the Jolly Roger? Not boat name, not person's name.
Did you find it?
That is a flag's name.
So let's eliminate a.
Everybody, that is a flag's name. That is a flag's name, okay? Nope, not treasure's name. That's the flag's name. What? Whose flag's name? Pirate flag. Pirate flag's name.
Yes, which word here means happy and
Okay,
excited?
pirate flag's name.
Good. Good.
That is a
Exhilarated.
pirate flag's name.
Yes. Number 4.
Hmm?
Number 4, Sunday.
Here, Jolly Roger, which was decorated with a white skull and crossbone.
Yes,
That is the flag's name. Flag, okay? This is the flag, okay? If you take a look, you can see like
Number 5, Crystal. Number 5.
this flag's name is a Jolly Roger. Understand? Pirate flag's name. Okay, okay. The next question is okay. Number 5 question here. Is Blackbeard's stolen treasure believed to be buried on an island or under the water? Okay. Where is his treasure buried? On an island or under the water? On an island or under the water?
Yes, you are out of time. Jinho, don't show your answers to anybody. Wait until we get to the question.
On an island or under the water?
Stop it. Jinho, I said don't point. Jinho, I said don't point your camera at your answers. I'm giving everybody their answers. So let's show some space. Alright. Jinho, what's number 6? Jinho, what's number 6? Iceland, if you ease something, you make it less difficult to do. Ease like easy, you make it easy to do it gently.
The answer is this one, right?
Isabella.
All right. Oh, no, this one, right? Wait a minute.
Good. What is it?
Okay. It's an island. Okay, it said there is a one island in Caribbean Bay.
What's our answer?
All right, island, right? Might be buried in an island. Okay, good. Then question number 6. How long ago did Blackbeard leave? How long ago did Blackbeard leave?
Relatively means compared to other.
How long ago did
One of these
Blackbeard
words means
leave?
go up. It's actually the opposite of descend. Descend means go down. Another word here looks kind of similar. What is our word here that looks kind of like descend, means to go up?
How long ago
Yes,
did
ascend
Blackbeard
means to go
leave?
up. When you ascend a mountain, you move upwards forcibly. So ascend means to go up. Descend
Okay, now you got it. The answer is
Right. What's our answer?
200
What's our answer? What answer means compared to
years
others?
ago. Okay? Blackbeard lived 200 years ago. Blackbeard lived 200 years ago. Is it right?
Someone who is relatively healthy is healthy compared to other people. Maybe more healthy than other
Is it
people.
right?
Other people are less healthy. You can't hear me? Why not? Who's making noise?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Okay, good everybody.
I think we have the last
Good job everybody. It's time to say goodbye. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, everybody remember the pirate's name, Blackbeard, okay? And then he stole the many golden, coins and jewels and buried in one island in Caribbean Bay. So, one day, all right, someday you can go and find that treasure, okay? Let's go.
The class is over. Good job
Go
today, everyone.
to
I hope you understood
find
something.
the
Can I what?
treasure. Okay, let's go to
A-I-R.
find the treasure, a
So you can
Blackbeard.
try
Understand?
what I
All
what I taught in
right.
the class.
Everybody, good night. We finished the
Good night,
class.
bye. Bye bye bye.
Goodbye.
I have a good night. I'll see you I think tomorrow also.
Goodbye. Good night.
Bye. Stay healthy.
And
Bye bye bye.
see you
Bye.
next time.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, see you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye bye. Bye, everyone.